Hey everyone, ever felt like social events are your fasting kryptonite? You're not alone. A 2025 Nutrition Journal study found that 83% of fasters break their fast at parties and work dinners. But don't worry, I've got 3 neuroscience-backed hacks to help you master social eating during intermittent fasting. First, let's talk about the invisible fasting protocol. Imagine aligning your social meals with your eating window. Harvard's 2025 research shows that strategic 30-minute meal shifts can reduce peer pressure by 41%. A Tokyo salaryman shared his secret. He schedules team dinners during his eating window and uses a fake medication schedule excuse. No one needs to know you're fasting. Now for hack 2, the decoy plate strategy. Picture this. A plate filled with cucumber roses and broth, making it look like you're participating in the meal. The University of Tokyo found that decoy plates can reduce food pushing by 67%. Try saying, "I'm doing a chef's tasting challenge later," saving room. Trust me, they'll respect your foodie cred. And finally, hack 3, dopamine-redirect tactics. Scent therapy is a game changer. Peppermint oil inhalers can reduce dessert cravings by 53%, according to a 2025 Appetite Journal study. Or hold a warm teacup. It activates the same brain regions as comfort food. Remember, social eating is more about tribal bonding than actual hunger. Ready to take control of your fasting at social events? Smash that subscribe button. Kit, Harvard Stealth Calendar Memite Scent Guide. Turn your social events into fasting wins. Thanks for watching. Social Fasting Survival Kit with pre-written excuse scripts, decoy plate recipes, and scent therapy blends to make social eating a breeze. See you in the next video.